Kublai phi baro ska thup khubor jungi ka dbmnTv. Kimar ki bakong san mentaga singi kilong. Ka election kamde ka tamasa ke NPP kampat suthit scam ha soyong on ongoba san bangoa. Traibor ba ka disaster management ban ai jingya da patlat jingya ram. En yo kam yo jam ki khun samla lada pendap gloy ke ki jingdawa ong ka GSMC. Ban shimbenta ki hybrid kanong po ha ka district level program. Tawantai ne phaj ki Khubor ki bakhambania. Ukartong jo ka Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP na Soyong constituency uba sandon boron tathiang ha ka alposan tare Iaiong. Ulayo ban yakendu kerpang bat kilat pathai Khubor ban pan jingkersha na ki pal ba ka Soyong constituency na ka benta ke election ka banong shen ha ubanai banwan badru ban kentui ki pal ba ba kidon kam banlong ki ba start bat ki ba shampang ban jet ye kinong yalam khamtam ki ban let yasaj ha po assembly kumba ki dap mat ha ki sansnem baladap Nakaliang ni ukertong la penram jur ya karukom ya lap jengki kertong da kabakran syabalap basem klem da pensyong nongrem ya karukom campaign election jengki ula ongru baka jing ya lap election kalong thik kum katamasa ule thu baki pal ba ka Soyong constituency kimpat pediang ya ke NPP namar ke NPP kadang thamai palat ha Soyong bat ke NPP kayu obreu na HSPDP Halor ka roster system uni ukertong ulaya thu baka roster system kalakta palat ya kapliang ja jong ki khun samla kumta ula penlet jingmut shitom haka job reservation policy haka bakhadu ukentu ki pal ba ka Soyong bakin long ki budget sani ya la unong mi khmat namar ka rai jong ki kan lam lenti ya ka Soyong baro ka wei hakikti uta unong yalam
Khubor berkhidmat ke pemerintah ngadi ukertong jong HSPDP nang tengah po Soyong barang ni Khubor buat keklimat ke pemerintah ngai ke jing Kublai ye ki pai no Shillong jo Soyong constituency ki ban ya thabot ha ka sputrik jong banai me 8000 apulai ti kum ko tong ko bang Iaiong ha ki sing ki por ki dep no Iaiong men sim shibon e khamtam ha ka be dei bat ka jing ya ki jing yang ka jongi ha ka bani kendo e ki breu bat ka basotran ka long ba ka response ka long very much positive ha te dei nak ta ka daw bang liu men sim banyak syakmat Henry kumbangi tip lut berjing club no jong ukertong jong UDP ha ka Khubor ban si ban sagen o sipor ya ka election sya ka ying dor ba thawan ti kumta ha ka Khubor ber ka klipmat ka bamentaru jing kerpan berjing kentu ka jonga ya ki nong song sinong khamtam ki nong kristian ki i jonga kalong be ki long ki scam ki ban yai ne ha ka nong rim bat ha ka Khubor ki ban trei na ka benta ka sipau trei bat ni community Ika ika mabha aga khalai trek dan shibon ru kiwi ki kertong ki belayan hagi ni singi ki por ki bangli ilim bagi social media ki tien ki chali ki baki le kren bat ni I kumba kam ide show ke election campaign ka bakin ai ki jing syakri ya upat ba kinia ki jutang lai I podor hadu kata taban sngowan sngap teng lai I kladai kumba kata ka political appeasement yano reno dakaba Penksan yano reno, bat penrem yano reno. Iru agni kisngi ki por ka jinga ben ki jinga kho uwe ukertong yo uwe pat. Nakaliang jonga ukertong. Jong ka HSPDP. Nga kentu nga kenpam. Ya ki nong Soyong ki e ki jongi. Bakin nongop ha kita kinia ki ban penyedat ki ban penyesrut bat kham kerpang ki ban penyapat ki ban penyapra. Yangi ki nong Soyong. Hani habajit yo nong mikmat u ban long u MLA unoya sat Hantai po Meghalaya Legislative Assembly nga da kerpat jur ya pi ki basta ki jongi ki di briu ki bapek ya ukertong uba uei uba kumueu ki baki kilak barsanya kinam jit lemut leman ki lai I hagi ni Islam ki bladap mila island ya ki nong alam ban job election shitom bat lai I hato uta ulong bas kem ha nong rib ne Hato kajumut kajing perkhat kajungu bakajing tre kajung ulala se ban tre na kamata ki panong Soyong ki jong ya ban ngili iru shua ya kata kini ki postam ki bladep bakajing sadin jong dong ka than ki jong in they compare bat ki marjan ki marpa ki constituencies kila kiu kham shakmat bat dei nak ta ka daw bakum samla ka don ni jing thmu ban ya shakmat bat kham kar pangapan ke jikersan ki khon samla ki ba buon ngatep Kilakwa abat dah kawai kelenti. Kilakwa abat dah kawai kata ka politics ke bak compare, bat ke bak kuat ke baki ki kwa banyak. bat kum bakilong menta kipet syakadiang bercakaman idon zikermen kisem batang manga ukertong uban yalam ya kata bat ngatips kam bakani kadang ditaka movement kejongi ka movement kaban penki kaban penksar ya ki kon samla bat kani klaya chat menta de kibanai bat nganget scam kajingnya ki kajingnya kren kajingnya khana jogini ki kon samla ki jongi ki longkemi ki longpa ki ba ki jenjar ki selong ki sertak tang namar baki kon ki jongki kim don kam don jam hi kadai kata ka baki padba mata ki kuat ba kum unu unong alam na so yong unmi khamat bat un kren ru ki jing ki jongki hang tei po assembly tang namla banong ye kata kadai ka jingkli ka bal ki wan ru ka bhapalat hanre nging ya ta ka movement gidon ka movement kadon ka jing ki phalo jongki kon samla ki jongi ki ba dom ki ba bitar ya kan ka political system ko bala nek mantari ki propose nam ki kwa ban penkala ya kata bat ki i ba kani kan long ka ka bor ka ba kraw hadin habot bangin yo sensyar ka khadar ka ba klem bam sap ka sensyar ka khadar ka bangila ban syania bat ka ban ai ki jing shapri ka ba bahani ka batam ya ka soyong constituency badi ka state hi bar koi kam kanja phi ngam ju hi kai ki breu ba kinya kinya shongshit ngam ju hikai ki breu bakin long kita ki breu bahakapor election ngin ya shongshit ngin ya pelong kata ka tamasa ka bahang tu download kakiat ka download ka jing pen shongshit iki kun sam lagi jongi namar balai bakade ka tamasa bar ki breu ru kumalong menta ngasosi ba ki kam sngo tenat ya kata bat kim kam sngo tenat pade ban yo sngo ki kentin ban kren ya ka lawe jonga ka jongpi dai nak kata kum ke parti bathaga juga por kum kurtong ngaju kren bet chapang ki issue bat chapang ka nongrim ngam don por ban ben ban kho yanu no ngam don por da ka bangan kular ka e ka bangang ngam la ban kular ngale ya ka e ka bangang adon ya kata ka jing thmu ban ngatip da ka jing kersan ki jongki nginya da kata ka lenti ban pen urlong kita ki baro nomor pi om kata ka jing pension sheet kata ka jing ya hu hau hak bakadu kata ngim poi sino i ngiri ban hikai ki breu ki jongi ladang idang shongshit ladang idang pendon kam ki kentin ki banya pen paria uwei ya uwei lang idang bun kam ha ka banya ben ka banya kho uwei candidate uwei pan ani ileran palat ki wei ki jat beri ki nak kiu kam palat baningi ni ngidangnya bun kam da ka banya le ikini ki jat po jat po rati hanre ha ka jing shisha ngila de ban hikai ki breu ki jongi ban yalam ha ka lenti ka bathmai khanang bakal long dien ka mandien ka jongi kan long bas khem dei na kata kadaw kiwi ki katong ki ya chakamat ki pension sheet kim jukren issue
da ka jingwan uslam ka perthai ka bat ka khandau ka jam kane ka prat lenti ki jingma ba pher ri uban reu hakaba la ban yo i ba ka bor jong ka mariang ka wan ling shop hagi jaka da ka ba wanra ya uslap ba bar ka jing tua ha khandau bar ka jing khlem ki dien ki sit ka district disaster management authority ribhoi district thaka arpusan tarik jong Iaiong kalasami ki emergency responders kits lani ki tiar banyada hakapor bawan lingshop kabor jo kami mariang shaka AAPDA mitra volunteers kabadai ka kunhun jong ki khun samla na kishnang paper ka bahab hapo ka ribhoi district ki bala pendep ya ki jing hikai banyada bat yarap ya ki wei habawan lingshop kabor jo kami mariang haka jingalang bala long ha district library nongpo Hakate kasngi URP Upadhyay Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District ula longko mukongsan haka jinge don rengkat lang u Dr. Abhishek Saini Assistant Commissioner Ribhoi District uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District ki nongtre ka DDMA nongpo ki khana samla bat ki wei
is increasing and the number and a lot of people are affected. If you look at Ribhoi also within Ribhoi every year we have so many sites from cyclone storm, fire incidents, incidents of drowning. In all these cases, the moment we are able to respond it properly at the earliest, we are able to save our lives. So our response mechanism has to be very, very strong, very efficient and very responsive. And you being the forefront of all these responses, I would like to welcome all of you, I would like to congratulate all of you, and I would like to seek your support whenever the times will come for a response in case of any disaster. So with this, the Government of India scheme and when we are providing emergency response kits for us to respond in a much better way in all the equipments, and now the training is also completed. So I hope that from now onwards, in case of any requirements, we will be able to solve to prevent any loss of lives to people. So with this, thank you so much.
Everyone accounted for, everyone accountable. If you look at the news, the recent news, you see, catastrophic climatic events happening all over the world. You see your cyclones, right? You see your floods, you see your droughts, everything, this disaster everywhere. So the main cause of this, as per scientific research, is climate change. Man, as a civilization, as human beings, in our greed, we have used up all the Earth's resources. There's a concept called Earth Overshoot Day. How many of you have heard of Earth Overshoot Day? Earth Overshoot Day, it's a day in a particular year where it marks that we've used all the resources for that particular year. Last year, it was June 28th. So it means for 2022, when June 28 came, we have used all the resources for 2022. So from June 29 onwards, we are eating into next year's resources. So every year, these days are getting shorter. Like let's say this year, it may be like June 5th or maybe May. So we're eating into the Earth's resources, right? So these are tough times. That's why we have so many events, disastrous events happening all over the world. If you look at the temperature now in NAKA, I believe it's 28, 29. It's 38, 39, touching. Look at Shillong. The maximum temperature was 28, 29 degrees. That was totally unheard of when we were growing up, and that was not that long ago. Temperature was maximum 24, 25, and even during those days, people complained that it was very hot. But now it's 29, right? So these are tough times. I'm not being negative or something. You see your global temperatures rising, your sea levels rising, destroying ecosystems, your coastal ecosystems, your oceans becoming acidic. If you follow the news, you see these are very tough times here. But nevertheless, all the global community is coming together to find a solution to all of this. But during this process, the role of APDA Mitra volunteers is very, very important. You are friends during disaster, right? You have a major role to play pre-disaster, during disaster, and post-disaster. Of course, we do not want to talk about the post-disaster. You've all been well trained there. Even during disaster, you've been trained, right? You know what to do. Let's hope that thing never happens. Right? But you're already well trained there. Most important thing is the pre-disaster. Pre-disaster is you go to your villages, you go to your communities, and educate them on whatever you have learned.
Kinong yalam bat kidukot jangka Garoland State Movement Committee GSMC kilayalum lang shijaka ban penpau pat ba sa shisien ya ka jingdawa bayade baga jingpia ya ka Jylla haki arbenta kata ka Garoland berka Khasi bat jantia berka jingdawa ya ka winter capital lane ka nongba baar jangka Jylla. Haka jingalang kila penpau syai ba menteri rangba ban ningkong jangka Jylla Meghalaya ulet Captain Williamson Sangma ulah terang bat yo ijngai bagi lai teli kijat penreu ke Meghalaya kita ki Khasi jantia bat Garo kinya yo lam markat jo ka bha ka kam ka jam Henry Klempem kata kala phai penban da khongpong na markumba kalong menta kamdon ka jinga trelang jong kini ki lai kun hun shu kila ongru baka jing thrang ban yo la ka jong ka Jylla bat ekanong ba baar kilong ki baladon nadu hendai hentai ki ba shem la pentre kam da ka sorkar wat hadu kini ki sngi baka Jylla kladap san post nam karta kila ongru ba mdei tang maki ki ba kwa eka separate state henry ki we ki kun hun na ka Khasi jantia ru ki kwa kumjo kita kilong ka HSPDP lembat ka hitu laban ong balik se haka jing thrang ban pendep yakini ki jingdawa kani ka kunhun kalakam baki khun samla kari kin yo lat haki kam ki jam lada ka Garo Khasi bat jantia kin yo la ka jong ka Jylla ka ba klem da puson klem da wat sanibha kamla ban long ka ba shisha
Dendangan dokau on down day on down day we want Garoland no state no rest until ang Ryan Sismarak, spokesperson, Garland State Movement Committee. Tentang saya, atom ni bako, Garland State Movement Committee, na si Mangni, nang niking pa, ba, na si Mangni am kapani bidimo, ba si kapani bidimo, niki akan talat na ketenang nikinga, ancing jena kaning sinde, sonaram ar saman, Garland State Movement Committee, unas kangpan, ba, asam ni bak unas kangan, Garland ko na nga anin ba amaha, tao dia, recha cisku, sotsni gini, ba, asam ni bak ko rabani jakman kepa. Jekai tao, ancingna College of Community Science, Central Agricultural University, Sangsangri Chura, Meghalaya ancingo, onsia nik kanirang benang. Jika nakan ude tao advertise kaim na ancingna inu donging kepa manderang na ona nanggeni kepa ko ongija uci kepenang cikur abai muna ino fill up kainga de ancingara ancingi bisarang ara ino donging kepa rangara ancingi manderang ara komik parang genang ma juga mekan akan kin semua orang ude agriculture ko ongja cina maina dengtang trade serangwan ancingi bisarang ara ancingi acik jakni ba garolin donging kepa garo rangara mamung tak kepa komik ban dongja gemekan antang tangi makna kode mak kepa phag ba hadir ka chai chai ba forat temang ba dal kepa chusok kepa una wa akan tang ode abri chot kepa una jeni tuna sokat tenga chem ndi mang ba ya bisa nara maini gemen dauna kengkem ba manjainga dak ode system an dengtang mancha kepa faulty ong kepa system wa tau de angni singani de ni kira ke onginga dau dengtang ino anga akan kensum ode advertisement ba dongja teaching na ba non teaching na ba garo rang khora maina ni galenga tau na kengkeng ba ino donging kepara ino tau bo saimna doneng kepa CCS CAU rangara ino ngachem garo hilson ba garo len no ngachem ndak ore minus garo rang khora ni gal change mena galwate donenga singandi diwasang nia sani gwalani angni gwalani nongja bisarang ko foret kebarang ba ongja tangka botni chukni muna janggi tangga gembekni antang tangna chmungna
Ko-Office District School Education Officer Ribhoy District mentakasi ke arpusan tarik Iaiong kalau penlong ya program District Level Science Mathematics and Environment for Children Halor Kapang Technology and Toys ya kabala penlong Ribhoy Presbyterian High Secondary School Nongpo. Lakumba prateri ki school kiba na nongpo ka district kilawan ban yashembenta ban nakaliang ko office DSEO kala samru yaki khusnam shiki nongjob hakaba ka St Paul High Secondary School nongpo kala long ka nongjob bat ka Alpha English High Secondary School nongpo kalawan haka kerdan ka baar bat ka Don Bosco High Secondary School bernihat kalawan haka kerdan ka balai bat ki nongjob haka ni ka exhibition kila yo ban mikmat ya ka district shaka state level. Hakani kasngi lawan ban Shillong daga kong Padolin El Nonglat District School Education Officer Ubabu W Radu Principal RBP High Secondary School kinong hikay lambat ki khana school.
So they are the main part of the program. Okay? Next. Thank you the students who are here. Because of you that the program it is going well. And thank you for you that you bring the model, which is very attractive. It attracts me a lot when I come along with Sir Director to check this model. Okay? And next thing, especially for those students who are very clear explaining about their model. Their chat, extract, and answer the question very well. And thank you for those who are not doing well also. But your presentation is the main thing. That next time, when you come back for exhibition, you can do well. Okay? So, why we organize science exhibition in the district? Not only for selection to go to the state level and to the national level, but keep it in mind that we want the students, we want the schools to show their talent, to show their ideas, because we have.
Good afternoon, everyone. The title of the project is Automatic Zebra Crossing. So zebra crossing is a place on the road marked by black and white strips where cars have to stop so that people can walk across. But in India especially, the drivers are not careful with the driving and accidents do occur in zebra crossing as well. So it is very important that some innovation should be done. So the students of St. Paul has come up with the idea of automatic zebra crossing. This automatic zebra crossing is made with the idea of the escalators which are found in the big malls, which is a moving staircase that carries the people between the floors of a building or structure. It moves in a vertical direction. So another type of escalators are found on Delhi airports, known as travel people across a horizontal plane over a short to medium distance. The travelators are built on the idea of moving belt. These are built using mesh metal belt or rubber walking surface over metal roller. Our zebra crossing is also made on the idea of moving belt. The materials which we have used to make our model is cardboard. Then we have plastic pipes which act as roller, motor, battery and switch. And we also had a chart paper which acts as a belt. So when the red light will be on, the barricade will automatically be raised, thereby preventing any flow of vehicle, so people can move across from one side of the road to another easily. And at that time, our automatic zebra crossing also will start working, and it will transport people smoothly and fast over a short to medium distance. Now, this type of zebra crossing can, if installed in our state, in our country, it can help many accidents to be checked or controlled. And this type of zebra crossing should also be included in the smart city project of India, such as Guwahati, Shillong, Ahmedabad, Surat, and so on. And I also personally feel that this type of zebra crossing should also be implemented in our state, even in our area, so that a lot of accidents can be checked or controlled. Thank you.
Haka arposan tarik Iaiong ka Shlem Terekang jong ka District Sports Officer DSO ka West Khasi Hills District kala penlong ya ka lumpung kenjat bol ki hybrid ki bahapo ka khat arsenam ya ka bala tibru kum ka Chief Minister Under 12 District Level Open Football Tournament 8,000 arpolai hanong stoin haba phai sa kate ka singi sedang haka jingele kai playoff jong ki khana kanthe ka Shalang block kala yo ban khur ya ka jing job da ka ba penliam no da sauko lanot ya ka Rimuliang block but kalayo bandrung sa semi-final hakaliang ki kentay. Shu haka jingale kai playoff jang ki shenrang ka mau shenrut kala penliam no da ka Prago lanot ya ka Rambrai block haka jingale kai persha ka balalong hamadan NDSE nong pendeng but lengba ka ni ka jingjob ka mau shenrut block hakaliang ki shenrang kalayo rung sa semi-final. Haba phai pat sa kajingele kai semi-final ka ban ningkong hakaliang ki kentay ka mau shenrut kala yo ban khurya ka jingjob da ka ba pen limno ya ka Rambrai block da ka saugo lanot kumta da ka ni ka jingjob ka mau shenrut kala yo ban rung sa ka final hakaliang ki kentay hakate ka lumpung. Kumbasau mut kibriu ki basong haka Hyundai Santro kila mensau hadin baka kali baki syong kala sya tenra kensan haka trok kit mau it harong kon kabadon hasurok tura haka janmi joka arpusau tarik Iaiong. Kate ka trok kade ka bawan natura kat baka Santro pan kadang wan pai na kalenti mar persya haswa bakin ya kendu ya kajing ya tengko haka por hendriu baje janmi. Karkum ki Khubor balayo lum laong ba kadau juga jing aksiden kadai namar bamla te lakam shu udrai bar jaka trok kumta kala penlong yu ban penher stat ya ka trok klem la lat shu na kajing ya tengko bat ka Santro.
Ini nomor phone nang ai kan.
Ini aku ni nasi kari ni, मैं रखूँ, मैं वो जगह नीचे लगता.
Han, uci netet.
Ini cakap dulu. Break tu lawan apa?
Gari ko nikani krite rongsai tunga biya.
वो ड्राइवर का फोन ले रहा ईमेल नंबर मो ईमेल नंबर लोड ससुन को लेगा गाड़ी है
Load ya.
Pada kitu ki Khubor la poy chika bakon tal hadu bangin daya syambyang Khublei Shibon.